All right, guys, welcome back. And guys, I actually got the drill press all put together, and I haven't ran it yet. I still gotta put the end on it, which they say you gotta press it on. So I got a piece of wood right here, and I still gotta do that. So, anyways, been working on the truck here a little bit, and I actually got the first few things wired up. So, if you guys watched the last video, I just fixed the exhaust cutouts for my exhaust, and I got them wired all the way up to the front here, and the wiring is those two right there. And then I got the boxes right there because the little fob opens and closes them. And then I got it running into the fuse box, which are those two wires right there. And then I tapped into fuse number 43. I'll just show you guys quick. So right there, a little tapper fuse. I know it doesn't look that great, but you can see the little post coming up. And so just tapping from that fuse, and then I got my inline fuse too right there. And then I just grounded it to the body. So pretty simple. And then the fuse box covers that. And I'm working on the pod lights right now for the front bumper. The light bar is next, but I was working on the harness, and this one is for the pod lights, which goes to right there, and then 4 of them for each side. And this is all the leftovers. So I did some cleaning up. So here are some pictures of before and after. It's kind of hard to see the after picture, but I can show you guys it right now, and it is way cleaner. I didn't want all that excess wire and, having to hide it or something. I just didn't want to deal with that. So I went through the work, and guys, that was a lot of little wires. Like, just to do that harness down here was 20 wires. And it took me like 2 hours to do it. But now I just got to do the top part, which is right here. And I got to put my second fuse box in and get it all wired up, and my second battery in here, and then start wiring up more stuff. So just wanted to give you guys a little update of what's going on, and I'm going to keep on wiring stuff. Also, guys, I'm sorry if I sound a little out of it right now. It's 4:30 in the morning, and I just finally felt like working on the truck and trying to get some of the wiring done. So that's why. All right, guys, so I got some stuff done. Not a whole lot, but I got the secondary fuse box up there. It's just sitting right there for now. It's not bolted down or nothing. I still gotta, obviously hook it all up and stuff like that, and I want to make sure that, I have everything, that, where it's gonna work in the spot that it's at, and, the hood latch isn't gonna be in the way and stuff. So I'm just waiting for that. Just kind of roughing everything. I got the wiring right here. This is for the light bar. And then, so this is for the color changing lights around the light bar. And then the actual light bar is these wires right here. And my soldering iron died, so I can't get the other wire on it right now. So I'll just do that later. I'm actually gonna call it a night, even though it's like 5:30 in the morning. But so I'm just soldering it together and then using this weather tight. I forget what it's called right now, but so should be pretty clean. It's going pretty well. So I guess in the morning or whenever I feel like it, I'll start finishing this up next and get the light bar all ran up. And then it's actually gonna be these wires and the light bar wires are going to the same spot, because I want the pods and the light bar together, just so it frees up extra slots for other things. Just figured it would be easier that way, keep them in sync. So there you guys have it, and I will see you guys later.